Hey guys, welcome back. And for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. And for today, I am going to be doing a little unboxing, a little first impression on Hey Bud, which is Australian #1 skincare brand. And I'm really here to see if the hype is real and to let you guys know what I think about it. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit that big red button down below to join this amazing community. And let's get into it. Okay, lately I've been loving skincare. When Hey Bud reached out to me and was like, hey, we would love for you to try out our products and let us know your real review about it. I was like, you know what? If you want an honest review, I got you. And that's what we're going to do. We'll be doing a first impression and trying everything on after we check out how these things look, the smell, and the branding, because that's like kind of important to me. This is cute. Enjoy the natural high. So all their products are obviously like, hey bud, this is like very on brand. Look, it is so cute. Like I said, all their products are made with hemp and they're also vegan and cruelty free, which is a yes for me. So this is their Hit Refresh Hemp Cleanser, gentle cleansing and reduces excessive oils. So I think that is pretty cool. Try this out. Let's see how it smells. I don't know. Cleansers don't really have much of a smell to me. So, oop, it is locked. Dang, this is like power locked. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got some on my nose. No, there's no smell. I mean, we assume that with the cleanser. But it does feel really, really nice. Ooh, it actually really feels really nice. It has a little like cooling effect. Like, I have a pimple on my forehead, so I am excited to give this a try to see how this will work. And I had a little bit of makeup on my hand because, you know, I always like use my hand to like put excessive stuff on. And this is actually taking it right off. So I'm excited to give this a try. I think I'm really going to like this. So we will see. And the one thing about my skin, I do have like pretty sensitive skin. When I put something on my face, instantly I know if I am going to like it or not, because my skin starts to like burn a little bit if products are just not going to be good for me. So we will also test that out if it is sensitive skin friendly for at least myself. Next, oh, I got a little brush. Hey bud, it said on it. I mean, I don't know what I'm using this brush for. Let's see. Oh, I'm assuming on their clear as clay hemp mask. So that, like I said, branding on point. Everything is super cute, super eye-catching. I love this green. Oh, wow. This actually smells pretty good for a clay mask. Now, the only thing I'm going to say is this looks a little funky. It looks like they took like an ice cream scooper and just like scooped a little, like one scoop of mask on it. But can you guys see that? It's like, I don't know. That is not the best for me. I feel like it should have been filled up to the top. But maybe just this is how they do it. And then this brush is for this. I honestly am not a bougie gal. I use my fingers when I apply my mask, but it does leave a mess on. I decided to try it on with the brush. But smell looks good. Let's try. Let's just feel it a little bit. I mean, it feels like a regular clay mask, so we will really put it to the test on my skin. Oh, this is cute. I love their branding. Super cute. All right, so this is a hemp serum. I'm gonna put it a little bit lower because I didn't wipe off the thing. Damn, their locks are like powerful. What is happening? Oh, there we go. Their serum is like, it feels like a regular serum. So we'll see. No smell, which is good. I like that it has no smell, but most serums don't. But sometimes they be adding like lavender and stuff in it, and my skin just does not do well with that. But yeah, it's just a regular, it like really went into my skin right away. So just a regular serum. I mean, like I said, once we put it on this face, we'll really know what it's about. And obviously, we're not going to know if it works or not in one try. I mean, probably my skin might look a little bit hydrated, probably not. I don't know. But I do think once I use it for like 30 days, then we'll know if it really works. So I do want to do that. I won't be doing another YouTube video. I will be posting it on my Instagram stories 30 days from today and letting you guys know if it's really the #1 skincare in Australia. But this is the moisturizer. Yeah, I love moisturizer. I mean, that's my fave. I don't even know what. I'm kind of like sticky here with that cleanser. Oh, yeah. That moisturizer is hydrating. Wow. Even my arm is like glycerine. I don't know if you can see that. But that is the moisturizer. To say, so far with everything, just trying it out on my arm, this moisturizer looks like, oh, and it's called Get Hydrated. Pun intended. I absolutely love that. So I have a feeling this right here is going to be my best friend. But I feel like let's go. I'm going to take this makeup off and let's really put this to the test. Let me try everything on. I'm even going to try on the mask to really see how it feels on. First impressions are everything for me. So let's try it out and let's see what happens. Okay, so we are going to try out these products now. My skin is a little dry, so I am going to add just a little bit of water and put it all around. I literally have nothing on my skin, so we're just going to use this. First impressions, this is super cooling on the face. I actually really like it. I feel like it is cleaning my face. I actually really like the way this feels. First impression, I would say definitely I love it. Compared to what I use right now, this is like really nice. So now let's take it off and let's see if my skin looks refreshed. Okay, I washed it off and I have to say, now this is a game changer. Cute packaging, cute box, cute everything, but it does work. So this product, I am going to give it a 10 out of 10 for first time impression. The only reason why my skin did not get irritated, like I said, I have very sensitive skin. So if something's just not good for me, I will know right away. And this feels like super hydrating on my skin. And my blemish up here kind of hurts me. I just have makeup on too. So anytime I have like a pimple, it does hurt. And after using this, like that little like irritation went away. So I do have to say for first time impression and first time use, this is pretty amazing. And I am going to actually ditch my other one and use this all the way through. Okay, so now is when the fun begins. Like I said, I've never used a brush with a mask before. So I'm a little scared, but let's see how it turns out. And I'm just going to put it I'm going to put it in my little T-zone area. This actually feels really nice. Like I said, the smell is actually really good, which I'm scared of because sometimes scented face stuff does make me like break out or irritate. So far, so good. If this is not how you apply a mask with a brush, my bad. But it's working for me. I mean, honestly, the brush is a cute idea. It's not all over your fingers. It doesn't leave a mess. But I would do without the brush. If I didn't have the brush, I would still not think about it. But I'm bougie now, so I only use brushes with my face mask. But let's leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And I will be back and let you guys know how it's going, and then we'll wash it off. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now that I've had this mask on. So let's wash it off and see how my skin feels after. Now that I washed off the mask, I have to say my skin feels super refreshed. Over here, same thing, like that pimple, I'm telling you, it was hurting me. Like, it felt like it was breaking through. And now using their cleanser and the mask, like, I don't even feel it. No lie. So I actually really like it. I feel like I look refreshed from when I first showed you how I look without makeup to now. Like, my skin looks a little boop, you know? So for first impression for me, I do feel like it should have been a little bit filled up. I still stand by that because it looks like it was just scooped in there. But the product itself is actually really, really nice. So that is a yes for me. I love how my skin feels afterwards. Now I feel like I just need to add a little serum, a little moisturizer, and I am good for either the day or the night. Like you could do this AM or PM or a little self-care Sunday, you know, but for sure this mask I will be adding to my routine. So now let's try out the serum. My face is all nice and clean and is ready to get a little hydration. So we are going to use the Smooth It Over. Whoop. There you go. So you don't need that much. And I'm just going to dab it and put it around. This actually goes on very nicely. I always feel like I get really dry skin around my nose, so that's where I like to put the most. My chin. The neck, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot forget about that. And then now my big old forehead. So I mean, for first impression, it feels like just a regular serum. Nothing really like wow about it, honestly. I feel like it's already in my skin. I'm not blown away with the serum as I am with the first two products. I just feel like it's a regular face serum. This one's not really a wow factor for me. So I would do without or with, but I would say the first two products, they have my heart. Okay, last but not least, we are gonna try out the Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturizer. I am actually really excited to try this one. I feel like this will definitely leave me like super impressed. So let's try it out. I'm just gonna dab it. Oh, wow. Just with that one little bit, I felt like my skin just got super hydrated. Like, not gonna lie, my face was like instantly in that one spot. Wow, this actually feels so good. I knew it. I knew when I first read it, I was like, I am gonna love this. Wow. So good. My pimple, I don't even feel it. I don't even know where it is. It's there. There we go. But my skin feels so good. I think Hey Bud is where it's at. Okay, guys, so I am impressed. I think Australians' #1 skincare for first impression really left me a little speechless because especially with their cleanser and their moisturizer, I'm sorry, I like have all of them. They're a little wet from the sink, but especially with everything, like I feel like they are definitely making a difference in the whole skincare world. My skin feels amazing afterwards, and I absolutely love this. So yeah, I can't wait to give you guys a 30-day review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.